Hi guys, welcome to my channel 10 years younger. Today we're going to be looking at LED light therapy, and by the end of this video you will understand what it is and what it can do for you. So LED light therapy isn't new and it has been known by several different names, which I'll post on the screen now, over the years. So in the late 1990s, NASA found that LED light enables plants to grow in space with a total lack of sunlight. And it does that by increasing the energy carrying molecules found in the cells, which is called ATP. So when you enable a cell to have more energy, they function more efficiently, they rejuvenate themselves and they repair damage. So athletes and people with injuries started using this to heal faster, but they also realized there were cosmetic improvements to the skin. There have been many unfounded claims, such as it cures acne and depression over the years, and that has led to some controversy, but there have also been over 1,000 studies over the last 20 years which have confirmed that LED light therapy helps rheumatoid arthritis, cirrhosis, cold sores, alopecia, and it promotes wound healing and tissue repair. But what we're concerned with today is a 2014 study, which I'll link below, which showed that it improves skin complexion, builds collagen and helps to mend sun damage. That means firmer, tighter skin with reduced wrinkles. This illustrates a cross-section of skin and how each colour of visible light is a different wavelength. Each wavelength penetrates our skin to various depths and has different effects on the skin. Note, we're not talking about UV light. Light therapy is not like a sunbed. You can't get burnt and LED doesn't heat. In fact, there are no side effects or downtime to light therapy, but you shouldn't use it if you have lupus or if you're taking any medication which makes you sensitive to light. Light energy is absorbed by the skin and converted into intracellular energy. Each wavelength or colour has a different photochemical reaction and produces different results in the skin. So this is the machine that I bought from a company called Maichuay in China, which I've used a couple of times. The reason I like Maichuay is that they make professional salon products as well as home use products. So it's good, it's sturdy, and you know they've got the technology. So this is bigger than I thought, to be honest. I didn't think it was this big, but as you can see, you've got 3 LED panels underneath, and you put this over your head, you lay underneath this, or you could treat the backs of your hands or your arm, whatever, but you don't need to move a device around your face, which is an advantage because you can buy handheld devices that you have to kind of run over your face and your neck. That takes much longer to treat, obviously, your face and your neck, and also you need to keep replacing the batteries, or you know, it will cut out halfway through because you need to charge it up with a USB. So this is plugged into your electric source and it won't cut out. So you turn it on at the back here, and then you've got the timer. It goes up to an hour, but generally I've been using this 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. That sounds like a long time, but at the moment the world's on lockdown, so I have time to do stuff like this. And I think maybe, you know, in normal times, maybe 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, 10 minutes a day, whatever you can fit into your routine. The more you use this, the longer you use this, then the better the results will be. So you select the colour. So like I said, there's different wavelengths which each have different effects on the skin. For example, red, you choose the time, so say 15 minutes. It starts, these panels light up, and you lay underneath it. It's bad for your eyes, so it comes with these protective goggles. And I did note in the instructions, they actually show this being used with cotton wool pads underneath. I don't know whether this is to protect your skin because the plastic sometimes and the elastic sometimes leaves marks, or whether it's to give further protection to your eyes, but I've just been using with these pads underneath. So like I said, there's these 4 colours, and the great thing is that you can combine 2 colours in the same session. So if you've got acne and you're concerned about aging, you can select 2 colours. So that's how this works. Pretty solid piece of kit. And you can relax underneath it, you know, you can meditate or sleep. It's a great option for lazy people. So my viewers can get this for a special price of $120, and that includes shipping. I'm going to put all the links below. I'm going to use this for a few weeks, and then I'm going to report back with my review. So here I am 2 weeks into using the device. This actually coincides with the start of the hay fever season, so my eyes and my neck are quite irritated and itchy and a little bit swollen. So I'm going to use the red, which is anti-aging, and I'm also going to use yellow, which is to calm swelling and redness. So red, yellow, start. Then you adjust your goggles so the cotton wool is stopping them from marking your skin, and that's it. Then you just chill out here for 10 minutes. So you can listen to an audio book, you can listen to some meditation music, or learn something, just relax. And like I said, it doesn't get hot, it doesn't burn, so it's quite comfortable. The other thing I've been doing is after I do my face and my neck, I just do red light on my hands. I put my hands and my forearms underneath because our hands are exposed to the sun. So just to help with, you know, boosting the collagen on the back of my hands as well. So I do that for maybe 2 or 3 minutes after I've done my face, and that's both in the morning and the evening. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below. I'd also love to know if you've used LED light therapy and what results you had. Please comment below. So this is me 1 month later after using the LED machine for 15 minutes in the morning and 15 minutes in the evening every single day. So I did try to take some before and after images, but to be honest, it was difficult to see any change on the photos because it's very subtle. So if I just zoom in a little bit here, there is a glow to my skin, and my skin does look more refined. So what it is, you've given more energy to the skin cells and they've plumped up and they're reflecting light better than before. So as we age, our skin tends to absorb light but not reflect it. So this does give you a nice luminous, youthful glow. So in that way, it's great. It doesn't get rid of any lines or wrinkles. So if you're expecting, you know, a facelift or all your lines are going to disappear, it doesn't. It works in a very subtle way, but there's definitely a result there. The other thing is that I used the yellow light because I had hay fever, and that makes my face and my eyes and my neck itchy and red and irritated. So it really helped with that inflammation and it calmed the skin down. So I can definitely recommend the yellow light. If you use blue light for acne, for example, and it totally obliterated your acne and that redness, that would be a great dramatic effect. But the red light is not like that. It's not dramatic. So I'd recommend this particular machine for a couple of reasons. Firstly, when you compare it with other machines on the market for home use, you've got handheld ones which you have to spend time running over each area of your face and your neck, which would take longer. You've got lamps which you'd sit in front of and it would treat the front of your, you know, face and your neck. Then you'd have to kind of adjust it to do the sides and the back or whatever. And you've also got LED masks, which are plastic masks that just stick on your face, but they don't treat your neck. Compared to those, this covers a bigger surface area of skin in one go, so it's more efficient. The other thing I like about it is that you can combine 2 colours, so it doesn't just have to be red. You can combine red and green or red and yellow or whatever you want. And also what I like is that for me, I got into a kind of routine where I'd use this before bed for 15 minutes, and it forces you to stop what you're doing. You have to put on the goggles, go into this cocoon, and it's kind of like a ritual that really kind of relaxes me every night. So you may find that, I don't know, try and see what you think. I hope this video has been helpful. If you do try LED light, please let me know how it goes below. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.